Hey everyone, Ben here for Amateur Radio. So, because y'all like the fan dipoles, and actually because I like the fan dipoles, I decided I'm going to attempt to make a fan dipole for field use. And if you're wondering why there's such a long gap in between videos, it's because when I'm not here Monday through Friday and 2 to 3 Saturdays a month, instead of making antennas, I am at work making these.
Performance underground, packed with features to maximize productivity on big-time installations at long distances.
And making these. And when you work 50, around 45 to 60 hours a week, depending on the week, you get home and you're often really tired. So some nights I do a little designing. Excuse the noise in the background. I got dogs running through cans. Some nights I do some 3D printing, and some Saturdays I am absolutely shot. So let me show you kind of what we're working with here. And you're going to see dogs, and you're going to hear the hot, warm August heat of Iowa, where it's 80 degrees and miserable right now. So let me turn you around and kind of show you what we got so far. I will show you the current SWR readings. And note, this is not a finished product. This is a prototype. I am willing to take suggestions in the comments below and listen to your feedback on how we can improve this. But all these antenna wires were intentionally measured long, and I did no trimming. I literally just hung this up, took SWRs, and considering that's what I did, I'm pleased with the SWR meter reading without doing any kind of wire manipulation. So let me turn you around and show you what we got. So this is what we got as of right now. This particular fan dipole is 6, 12, and 15, and I did that purely because I wanted this to fit in my backyard. And probably right around now I have the SWR readings on the screen. But yeah, it is set up on an old tripod. This mount is made for a UHF. This is meant to be a portable 2-meter 440 base. So little zip tie there, and we have an impromptu hang, so that way I don't have to worry about throwing a line up in a tree, which, height also affects your SWR. So but yeah, if you have any feedback on how we can improve this or whatnot, I look forward to your comments. Until then, I will bring this back in the field during a future video, and we'll do some activating on it when I can get those SWRs down a little bit closer to 1:1. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you.